you're a private label seller, what holds you back from taking action with the product? I'm not talking about money, I'm not talking about any financial stuff, but is there something that you go, oh, I just don't want to do that stage? You know, in my course I have 6 modules. Well, I have more than 6 modules, like 10 modules, but 6 stages really. But the stage of you know, putting it all together, the creativity, it's not a hard stage. It's actually a really easy stage. It just means you got to sit in front of the computer and create a listing. Throw in a barcode, throw in some bullet points, throw in some photos, a description, and SEO it. Honestly, it should take an hour. It's a stage that I probably need to start taking action on and creating a preliminary listing for products that I want to launch. It's funny because I did it in my course. Obviously, everyone who took my course knows that the product that I use as the example is the stability ball, the exercise ball, and that was just it's just a product that I just created a listing for. But at any time, I could literally just launch on that listing, make that buy, send the product to that inventory, do a sending inventory is obviously easy for anyone who does retail arbitrage. Doing a shipping plan is like the easiest thing in the world. It might not be for retail arbitragers who have 500 units they're about to ship in, because there's so much to stickers and putting that all together and boxing it up, packaging it up, that it can take 6 hours, 8 hours to do a huge inventory shipment. But when you don't have the inventory and it's in China and they're doing all the work for you and you just have to pay a bill, create the listing, and create a shipping plan, it makes sense that I'm talking myself through it right now, because I'm probably going to go home and do these 3 listings that I have not paid for yet, but I should probably go and do it. I think part of it is I haven't finalized exactly the product that I want. You know, when you're dealing with purchases out of China and sourcing, you ultimately have to come up with the I should probably go to the bank. You ultimately have to come up with the exact specs that you want in your product. That is something I don't have. It still doesn't mean I can't create the listing and change it later. Create a simple title, create simple bullets, and then change it later. You know, those edits are easy to add in, sizes, easy to change the listing title to match exactly what it is that I am launching. Photos are easy to change. Remember, you can change your private label listing anytime, especially if you're the creator of the listing. A lot of people know my hybrid 2.0 or hybrid arbitrage coming out, where I show you exactly how to do a 3 or 4 listing launch, and not just the simplicity of launching 4 products, but the actual dynamic of launching 4 products and the listing part of it, the strategies behind how I actually change listings once products stick. There's dynamics behind that. There's dynamics on what you should pick. So yeah, there's a lot going on. At the end of the day, everything is all the pieces of the puzzle are shaping up. I hope they're shaping up for everybody who's watching this video. I hope that an abundance of stuff to do is upon you. I remember there was times when I had nothing to do. I was like bored at home, had nothing to do, nowhere to go and source product, nowhere to do retail arbitrage, no computer, didn't know about buying on Amazon, didn't know about sourcing from China, didn't know about this business model that we do. And not that I wasn't entrepreneurial, you know, not that I wasn't doing coaching or had a busy life. Is just a lot more busier and so much more, you know, so much more is coming out of this business that keeps me busy That actually keeps me overly busy. That now I'm at the point where now I got to say no to a lot of projects, a lot of options. I got to start turning stuff down